Welcome to SysTechs. We will learn how to extend a hub-based network and configure a DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, server in Cisco Packet Tracer. This will allow devices to obtain IP addresses automatically, making network management easier. Let's get started step by step. Step 1. Setting up the initial hub network. 1. Open Cisco Packet Tracer. 2. From the bottom device toolbar, select the hub found under Network Devices, Hubs. 3. Click on the workspace to place the hub. 4. Add 3 PCs to the network. Go to the End Devices section. Select PC 0, PC 1, and PC 2, and place them on the workspace. 5. Connect the devices using copper straight-through cables. Click the Connections tab, lightning bolt icon. Select copper straight-through cable. Click on PC 0, choose the Fast Ethernet 0 port. Click on the hub, select any available port, e.g., port 0. Repeat the process for PC 1. Repeat the process for PC 2. At this point, all 3 PCs should be connected to the hub. However, they don't have IP addresses yet. Step 2. Extending the network with another hub. 1. Add another hub to the workspace. 2. Connect the new hub to the existing hub using a copper cross cable. Click on Hub 0, select an available port, e.g., port 6. Click on Hub 1, choose an available port, e.g., port 6. 3. Add 2 more PCs and connect them to Hub 1 using the same process. 4. Now we have an extended hub network with 5 PCs. Step 3. Configuring a DHCP server. Now, instead of assigning IP addresses manually, we will configure a DHCP server to automatically assign IPs. 1. Add a server device. Go to End Devices, select Server, and place it in the workspace. 2. Connect the server to Hub 0 using a copper straight-through cable. 3. Configure the DHCP server. Click on the server. Go to the Desktop tab. Click on IP configuration. Under Static, assign the following. IP address 192.168.1.1. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. It will be filled automatically, but it not the same on relay devices. Default gateway 192.168.1.1, though not necessary for the time being. Close the window. 4. Enable the DHCP service. Click on the Services tab. Select DHCP from the left menu. Click on to enable the DHCP service. Configure the DHCP settings. Default gateway 192.168.1.1. Start IP address 192.168.1.100. Subnet mask, 255.255.255.0. Max number of users, 10. Click Save and close the window. Step 4. Configuring PCs to obtain IP addresses from DHCP. 1. Click on PC, 0. Go to Desktop, click IP configuration. 2. Select DHCP instead of static. 3. Wait a few seconds. The PC should receive an IP address automatically, e.g., 192.168.1.100. 4. Repeat the same steps for PC 1. PC 2. PC 3. And PC 4. Each PC should receive a unique IP address from the DHCP server. Step 5. Testing the network connectivity. 1. Open PC, 0. Go to the command prompt. 2. Type the command. Ping 192.168.1.1. If you see replies, the PC can communicate with the server. 3. Test connectivity between other PCs also. If you receive a reply, the network is working correctly. Congratulations! You have successfully extended a hub network and configured DHCP in Packet Tracer. Now, all devices receive IP addresses dynamically, simplifying network administration. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe to SysTechs for more networking tutorials. See you in the next video.